how to convert PDF to Word in mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, simply search for PDF to Word. After you search for PDF to Word, there you'll find a lot of different websites. So you can use this website called I Love PDF, and then simply select a PDF file that you want to upload. Tap on select and it will take you to your page or your file section where you can choose your PDF. So let's just find a PDF that you want to change into Word. So I'll just select this and then tap on open. Now this will upload this PDF to the website, and then tap on convert to Word option. Now this can take some time, so just be patient and wait for it. After it's done converting to the Word, you can then download the Word document. Tap on download Word, tap on download, and as you can see from the extension itself, there it says it's .docs. So yeah, that's basically how you can download a Word file in your mobile phone. And you can even check by going to the files section. And after you're on the file section, you can head over to the recent, and there you can find the Word document. There we go. And that's basically how you can convert PDF to Word on your mobile. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.